What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. When OnePlus released the Nord earlier this year, it mentioned that the phone was the first model in a series of mid-range phones targeted at the $500 segment. So while the Snapdragon 765G based OnePlus Nord did not debut in the US, OnePlus clarified that it would launch another variant in the country at a later date. We can now confirm through an insider source that OnePlus is planning to release a new model in the Nord series in the US later this year. The phone is dubbed the OnePlus Nord N10 5G and it will be the first OnePlus phone to offer a 64 megapixel camera at the back. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 690, Qualcomm's first Snapdragon 600 series chipset with 5G connectivity. The OnePlus Nord N10 5G will have a 6.4-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate and a Full HD Plus resolution. OnePlus committed to offer 90Hz or higher refresh rate on all of its devices going forward, so it makes sense that the Nord N10 5G will include this particular feature. We can also confirm that the base variant of the OnePlus Nord N10 5G will include 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. As for the internal hardware, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 690 should make things interesting. The chipset is built on the 8nm node and features the latest Cortex A77 cores with Qualcomm touting a 25% increase in performance over the Snapdragon 675. The Snapdragon 690 has a built-in Snapdragon X51 5G with global 5G connectivity and a 2.5 GB per second downlink. Coming to the camera hardware, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G will be the first OnePlus phone to offer a 64 megapixel camera at the back, with the OnePlus 8 series featuring a 48 megapixel module. It will be joined by an 8 megapixel wide-angle lens and two 2 megapixel auxiliary sensors. With OnePlus taking on the best that Android has to offer with the OnePlus 8 series, the company needed a mid-range series to continue its sales momentum. While there is no mention of when the Nord N10 5G will launch, it's likely to debut shortly after the OnePlus 8T. The mid-range phone will be priced under $400 US. OnePlus will also release an entry-level option later this year, with that particular phone set to be available in the price of $200 US. So what do you guys think about this phone? Let me know down in the comment section. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.